Hello everyone. So we have this problem at our hand. How we solve this is we are looking for hints here. So the first hint that we have is that the person is alive in the year 1871. Okay, and we also know that the person is x years of old in the year x square. So this year x square should be close to 1871. Okay, so that is the hint that we have. Now let us take x as 40. Why we are taking x as 40? Is because we know that if we take x as 40, x square would be 1600, which is somewhat closer to 1871, but not really, right? But we'll build on that. So now that we have the value of x square, a person cannot be realistically alive in the year 1600 and 1871, isn't it? Oh, you don't know many people doing that. Anyway, so x cannot be 40, right? So let us move on with x equals to 41 because we have to take a number higher than that. So if you take x equals to 41, we will have x square as 1681. Now 1681, this 1871 and 1681, these are still 190 years apart. So if they are 190 years apart, we cannot realistically have x square as a 1681, right? So we let us move on. So x, let us take 42. X is 42. Now what is going to be x square? X square is going to be 1764, right? So it is 1764. Now 1764 and 1871 is not really that close, but we can still work with it because they are just 107 years apart. The problem is the person is how many years of old? So this is 42 years of old, right? So the in order for the person to be alive in 1871, he or she has to be 149 years old in year 1871, right? So that is also, you don't know many people doing that. So let us take x equals to 43. Must be a better option. So if you take x equals to 43, x square will come out to be 1849. Now we are getting some very close to 1871. In fact, this is the right answer, it seems, right? So if you take that, what will happen? It will in fact come out to be the birth year of the person is 1849 minus 43, right? So 43. So it is coming out to be 1806, right? So the person was born in the year 1806. Now what is his or her age in the year 1871? So it is 1871 minus 1806. This is going to be 65, right? So we have the answer as 65, and this is how we solve this particular problem. Okay, like and subscribe if you would like to. We would see you in another video with another problem.